Video muted due to copyright. Open Super VPN and connect. Open your project in Capcut, click Animation and select Fade Out. Apply animation to all other videos. Click Overlay and then add white background. Go to Animation and then click Fade Out. Go to Splice and then click Overlay. Copy and paste to all other videos. Go to Effects and then click on Halo Blur. Copy effect and then apply to all other videos.
And here your smooth transition is ready.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz. Make you say they run my